Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di ba na bagi advertisement?
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Oh, kumta mo? Bilay si Bon.
Menteri Sarkar Bapak Yakatana Kakoi Kakia James PK Sangma Menta Kasi Ula Plipai Ba Yaka Biological Waste Management System Lemmat Yaka Geriatric Ward Bashi Pojingtia Harangkat Bat Ki PSA Oxygen Generation Plan Hospital Hospital Shillong Habakran Hak Jelang James K Sangma Ula Ai Kublai Yaka Jingtrei Shitom Jongka Jinglen Ladi Jongki Nongtrei Jongka Civil Hospital Nak Menta Kajingya Ibai Yaranti Jongka Hospital Hakarukom Kabadai What Happening Kijing E Baki Kendo Nakaliang Sempat Kumar Principal Secretary Jongka Kakoi Kakia Ula Ai Yaka Jiro Kabalale yakabenta kabakraw da civil hospital hakaban yakun persya yakaklam COVID-19 but lopen tepru bak kansawing jongka hospital menta kantre kampurano.
And waste management, as Mr. Sampath was talking about, decluttering, right? Cluttering is always something that brings about negative energy into the place, and negative energy in a place like a hospital is one of the most worst things that can happen. So I am so happy that it's not just about decluttering, but also a very, very integral part of any good hospital and its functioning is how we manage waste, which is very often biohazardous. And by having a state-of-the-art waste management system, I'm very sure that we will be seeing immense leaps and strides and improvement in our sanitation and in our waste management by way of waste management. So these three interventions which are being inaugurated today, these are very, very I think important, have been long overdue, but I'm happy that it has started today, and we look forward to these interventions also happening in other hospitals. As I mentioned earlier, Shillong Civil Hospital is setting up very, very tough benchmarks for everyone else to follow and keep leading the way. And we are always very supportive of Shillong Civil Hospital and all the kind of new things that you want to try out. As we see that medicine, or rather modern medicine, has come up in a very, very big way. We are yet to match up to a lot of other standards, but yes, we're getting there, and this is something that we really look forward to.